Number 1. 1987 Volkswagen Golf GT, $1,500, Roslyn, Washington. This 5-speed red hatchback presents as a solid, usable classic commuter with a clean title. The listing shows 200,000 miles and a broken odometer, but notes new rear struts, a new battery, and a new timing belt with receipts included. It runs and drives well, and the seller includes extra parts, making this an economical project or daily driver candidate for someone who appreciates late 80s European compact cars. Number 2. 1965 Mercury Park Lane Convertible, $2,800, South Austin, Texas. Project convertible with a good 390 engine and automatic transmission, showing 50,000 miles. The car has been sitting and will need work. Missing carburetor, missing battery, missing gas tank, top repair, brake work, and some rust. The interior orange upholstery is reported in good shape and original hubcaps are present. With a clear title, this is a restorable example of mid-60s personal luxury motoring at a low entry price. Number 3. Cadillac Seville 1984, $6,000, Simi Valley, California. A well-preserved 1984 Seville with 100,000 original miles on the odometer, equipped with a 4.1-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Leather seats, electric windows, recent new tires, and a recent catalytic converter are noted. The car passed smog and has a clean title. This is a usable, original-era luxury sedan for someone who wants classic Cadillac comfort without heavy restoration. Number 4. 1983 Datsun 280 ZDX, 2+2, $6,500, Ramona, California. One owner, 2+2 Z car with a 5-speed manual and about 150,000 miles on a new motor, described as completely stock and running perfectly. The seller notes extensive maintenance receipts, recent smog, current registration, and a clean title. These Datsun Z cars are known for longevity when maintained, and this example appears to be a mechanically honest, driver-quality sport coupe. Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet K10 4x4 square body, $8,500, Watsonville, California. This 8-foot bed square body pickup has an original 350 engine, automatic transmission, and a 6-inch lift with Bilstein shocks, plus large off-road tires. The truck has 136,000 miles with an odometer rolled over and some rust from age. The front end has been rebuilt and many upgrades were performed. It is a solid bones 4x4 that will need recommissioning after sitting, and it offers great potential for an adventurous owner. Number 6. 1976 Chevrolet van with Goodwrench engine, $7,000, Payson, Arizona. A rear-wheel drive van fitted with a high-output Chevrolet Goodwrench engine, quoted at 300 horsepower, Edelbrock carburetor, and 110,000 miles. Seller reports meticulous maintenance intervals, but notes an electrical drain that will discharge the battery in a week, unless the battery is disconnected or a trickle charger used. With strong power and recent service, this van is a compelling workhorse for conversion or hobby use once the electrical issue is resolved. Number 7. 1971 Volkswagen Baja, $9,200, Kaysville, Utah. A fully restored Baja Bug built from the ground up, reportedly no rust, new paint and bedliner finish, new upholstery, and many show trophies. The car is described as capable on highway and off-road, and the seller states over $22,000 invested in the build. This is a turnkey, attention-getting recreational vehicle ready to drive and enjoy immediately. . Number 8. 1974 Ford Maverick 250, $7,500, Sebastopol, California. A non-running roller listed as a salvage titled 4.1-liter inline-six with automatic transmission and an odometer rolled over. The seller provides an extensive parts list of items, either replaced or included, and notes the car is registered non-operational. For someone prepared to do a sympathetic recommissioning, this Maverick presents a parts-complete foundation at a modest price. Number 9. 1965 Ford Mustang, $6,800, Vancouver, Washington. A mostly original six-cylinder Mustang coupe with a white exterior and red interior, showing 94,000 miles. The floors, quarters, and trunk are reported solid. The interior was redone a few years ago, and the car drives fine after sitting. It has never been in an accident and carries a clean title. This classic minimal project Mustang is ideal for someone who values patina and wants an affordable entry into classic Mustang ownership. Number 10. 1969 International 1200D pickup, $7,950, 9 Mile, Washington. A well-preserved 3/4-ton two-wheel drive work truck with the factory 345 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed manual with granny low. Showing about 93,000 miles and retaining many original components, this International offers genuine patina and functionality, including a dual-tank fuel option and strong running condition. These trucks are conversation starters and serve well for light hauling or promotional use. Number 11. 1948 Studebaker Champion 5-passenger Starlight Coupe, $7,500, Visalia, California. A largely original, unmolested late 40s Starlight Coupe with a 169.9 cubic inch 6-cylinder flathead, 3-speed manual with overdrive, and roughly 100,000 miles, odometer rolled over. The car has fresh wiring, rebuilt generator, new radiator, and brake work completed. The windshield needs replacement, and the interior requires attention. As an unrestored post-war survivor with solid chrome and trim, it is a rare and attractive period piece that is road-ready with modest finishing. Number 12. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible, $13,500, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. A white convertible equipped with a factory 352 cubic inch engine and a 3-speed Ford Motorcraft automatic transmission showing 110,000 miles. The engine was refreshed with new seals and bearings. The transmission was rebuilt with a new torque converter, and the cooling, fuel, and braking systems are modernized. Power top functions and the largely original interior make this a strong, drivable full-size convertible that needs only cosmetic finishing for show-worthy presentation. Number 13, 1970 Pontiac Lemans two-door coupe, $11,000, Oceanside, California. A Southern California garage-kept Lemans that sat 32 years in a garage after being driven to California and parked. It shows 40,002 miles and has a 352-barrel, 275 horsepower style engine with a 3-speed turbo automatic transmission. It is a base model without air conditioning, but with an immaculate interior and vinyl top. Rust is typical only in the rear quarter area. For a preserved, low-mileage survivor, this Lemans offers a rare, mostly original driving experience. Number 14, 1983 Pontiac Grand Prix High Output, $11,900, Cassopolis, Michigan. A well-cared-for Grand Prix SJ with a high-output 8-cylinder engine, rare gauge cluster with tachometer, center console shift, sport bucket seats, and an Astro roof. The listing emphasizes garaged, hand-washed ownership, only 45,900 miles, new tires, a new battery, and a complete air conditioning system that is functioning cold. With a clean North Carolina title and original manuals, this is a rare original package early 80s performance luxury sedan in exceptional condition.